All right, ladies and gents, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Welcome to the video. Going to be looking at some really short-term forex trading in this video. This is for those of you who are forex intraday traders. I know there's lots of you out there, and we're going to be looking very specifically at the Hawkeye zones for multiple time frame confluence, looking to take those short, fast intraday moves with great precision, because we can align multiple time frames. So again, this is the Australian US dollar currency pair. Okay, so looking at forex in this video. The big window here to the left is a 3-minute time frame. Off here to the right on the top is a 6-minute time frame. And down here on the bottom is a 12-minute time frame. So we're basically doubling the time frame with each move here within these charts. And we're doing that specifically because we're looking for very, very short intraday trade setups. Okay, some of you really enjoy scalping, and that's wonderful. And I mean, I've done it throughout my career, and when the market provides that opportunity, I'll certainly jump on it. So in doing this, we need to kind of dial in on a very shorter time frame, and we do that very specifically because that shorter time frame provides us with the insight of what's going to happen very, very soon. All right, there's nothing I love more than getting into a trade at the low or the high, and that market just instantly turning around, taking off. I spend very, very little time at my entry or towards my stop, and almost 90% of the trade is all into profit instantaneously. So we're going to look here. This is an afternoon setup here on the Australian US dollar. Very specifically, we're going to look at this zone here. We're going to look at this zone here. And we're going to look at this zone here. So we have a 3-minute zone. Okay, very short term. We've pushed away. The zone was formed. We pulled back to it. Okay, that's wonderful. That's a great entry opportunity with very little risk, because all we're looking to do is enter within this zone and place our stop just slightly below where the zone formation populated. So this is a great pullback to literally only be risking a few pips and going, if I'm wrong, it's okay. If I'm right, man, am I going to try to make some money? So you could see at this time, from an overhead perspective, there's no immediate resistance, which is wonderful. So I'm looking to get long here, looking to try to just place a stop right below the zone. The zone defines the area where price should hold. And with that, I go to my 6-minute chart and I go, hey, am I also testing an area of support? And as you can see, as I move my cursor, that line will continue to move there. And right where I pulled back into my 3-minute zone, I was also testing a 6-minute zone. Additionally, and most important, do I have all 3 time frames doing the same? And I do. At this exact time of this pullback into this support zone, you can see we have the 12-minute testing support, the 3-minute testing support, and the 6-minute all testing support. So what does that tell me? Low risk, high probability. Buyers should be stepping in here, and if they do, there's a good chance that price is going to drive off of this. Now I want you to notice, price pops up, reconfirms the zone. Price pops up, reconfirms the zone. Price pops up, reconfirms the zone. I want you to notice though, every new low placed is slightly higher. What is that telling me? That tells me that there's a good chance that every time we revisit this area, the buyers are getting more and more aggressive, or the sellers are getting more and more tired. And this is going to be an opportunity to see if we can get that big push. And that's ultimately what happened, right? We were at 66,421. We drove all the way up here to 66,538. So really an aggressive, run here in the Forex market, but easily identified because we can look at 3 time frames all at the same time and say, does this very specific pullback find support also on the 6-minute and the 12-minute? In this instance, it did. You can see that the Hawkeye zone held beautifully, and we got that really, really aggressive, really, really strong push from this level up higher off of the 3-minute, the 6-minute, and the 12-minute support zone. So guys, I'm going to make you an offer that you're probably not ever going to see again. If you are ready to invest in the Hawkeye software this week, which, guys, without it, I don't know how I could have ever gotten to where I'm at in my trading career, 13 years into it. So that just tells you how valuable it is to me. I am a paying Hawkeye customer. I want you to know that. I came to endorse the company because it literally changed my life. So with that statement being made, I was never reimbursed for my purchase. I am a customer and client of Hawkeye, just like you are or will be, and it is vitally important that you take this into consideration, that without the understanding of volume and price action, being able to identify multiple time frame confluence, you're having a hard time likely putting a strong foundation into your trade plan. So this week, when you invest in the Hawkeye software, we are going to gift you the zones 100% for free. That's right. The zones we sell every single day for $800. Right? So this is an $800 gift with your investment into the Hawkeye software this week and this week only. So if you are a short-term intraday trader, if you're a swing trader, if you're a position trader, if you're trading stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, I don't care what you're trading. I genuinely believe that making this investment this week, receiving this $800 gift from us, is going to be monumental in improving your understanding of volume and price action and building on your trading career. So I invite you to go below this video, click the links, consume the content, reach out to my Hawkeye Concierge team. I'm going to leave a phone number there. Give them a call. Say, listen, I am committed to mastering trading. I understand that volume and price action is the foundation of which I must understand in order to achieve my goals. I am ready to invest in the Hawkeye software, and I will gracefully accept the gift of an $800 additional component, which we call the Hawkeye zones. Guys, you should be ready to do this, because if you're dancing in your trading career and you are not achieving the goals that you need to, you're missing this piece. Right? I was missing this piece. Once I plugged this into the puzzle, everything changed. And listen, while I can't make you any certain guarantees, I can tell you that this was a pinnacle point in my trading career. So if you're ready to see if this is the pinnacle point in your trading career, which again, without the foundation of volume and price action, everything else is going to be questionable. So dive right into this content. Do me a favor, call my Hawkeye Concierge team, have a conversation with them. All right? Let's see if this is right for you. Because why would you miss out on an $800 gift this week and this week only if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, right? So don't be silly, don't be foolish, consume the content, reach out to my Hawkeye Concierge team, speak to them, ask questions, get your questions answered, guys. Commit to taking your trading to the next level. Sign up, get your Hawkeye indicators on your screen populating, and we're going to give you those zones 100% for free this week only for it's an $800 value, guys. This is a very, very generous gift. All right? Something I've been using now for many, many years. Again, I am a paying customer. I bought the Hawkeye software. I bought the Hawkeye zones. All right? I paid for that with my own money. I was not given that back. So I just want you to understand how genuinely passionate I am about what I'm sharing with you, because I use it every day in my own trading. So reach out to my team, have a conversation with them. That number's below. I look forward to seeing you joining the Hawkeye family of traders, and I will see you in the next video. God bless. I appreciate each and every one of you and your time today.